Coach. So, welcome to Pacific Northwest Baseball. We're definitely enjoying it here. Yep. What about you, Pops?
Oh, yeah.
You enjoying Pacific Northwest Baseball?
Seattle, baby.
Seattle baseball? It's good stuff. Good stuff. Mama Bear on our way to some Seattle baseball. But just good news is we didn't have to carry any sunscreen or any of that. So that's always good. It's almost to the point where the scuba gear is optional. But yep. Meanwhile, I have friends that have kids that play on select teams, just like Mason, where they cancel the game because the forecast says it might rain. Well, folks, that is not the situation here in Seattle, because it's definitely not a might rain scenario. It is a definitely rain scenario. But there's Pops, hardcore, aren't you?
They can take the field. I can go watch them.
That's right. All right. Well, time to go sit in the stands and get wetter than a fish for next couple hours of baseball. We out.